To allow microphone access on Discord Mobile, follow these steps. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. If you have not already, log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, select the gear icon to access the user settings. In the user settings, scroll down to the app settings section and select voice and video. In the voice and video settings, you will see the microphone option. Make sure that the Use My Microphone option is enabled. If you are still having trouble, the issue may be with your device settings rather than the Discord app. To check your device settings, exit the Discord app and go to your device settings. In your device settings, select Apps and then select Discord from the list of installed apps. In the Discord app settings, select Permissions and make sure that the microphone option is enabled. By following these steps, you should be able to allow microphone access on Discord Mobile. Remember to always be cautious when allowing apps to access your device hardware, such as the microphone, and only grant access to trusted applications. Additionally, if you are using an Android device, you may need to go to the additional settings within the app permissions to enable the microphone. For iOS devices, you may need to go to the Settings app and select Discord to enable the microphone. It is also important to note that some devices may have different settings in menus, so you may need to explore your device settings to find the microphone option. By allowing microphone access, you will be able to use voice chat and other audio features within the Discord app.